the real terms parameters for deployment, which cities, how many deliveries, when?
So we have been focusing on the greater Phoenix area, and that's our focus for this year. We are hoping to address about 1.5 million customers by the end of this year. And then, as we progress, we'll see what happens. Dot likes to travel, though, so hopefully we can expand to more cities.
Team, let's bring up some pictures of Dot again. I mean, to me, Ashu, this looks kind of the design like a bit like a stroller or a pram, as we might have said in the United Kingdom. Could you just talk us through the design of it and how this is what you arrived at?
Sure. So there were three sort of key pillars for us when we looked into the design of Dot. The first one was product market fit. So we wanted to make sure that Dot would have the right cargo capacity and the payload that it can carry up to 30 pounds fits a vast amount of the DoorDash deliveries that we do today. The other big part was it had to be going at speeds that allowed us to do a big chunk of deliveries in the 3 to 5 mile range. And that's why the design point was it needs to be able to go on bike lanes, on roads, on sidewalks. But the other key part is the pickup and drop off for deliveries, which makes it very different from ride hail. And one of the key feedbacks we had gotten from merchants was it is absolutely imperative to have the robot come as close as possible to the merchant right next to their doorstep, which is what Dot does. And so that was a key design feature, was that it could go on sidewalks and be sort of narrow enough to navigate sidewalks pretty well.
That what, Ashu, currently isn't on the market? Because you were already using Coco Robotics, backed by Sam Altman. There are others on the market. Is it just the speed, the pace that they can't meet?
Yeah, so we actually also announced the key product called the Autonomous Delivery Platform, which we actually, in which all our partners, including Coco and our drone partners and other robots, including Dot, can participate. And the idea is that as the demand for delivery is growing, we have an all-of-the-above approach, which is there'll be Dashers, there'll be drones, there'll be Dot. And so we are looking to work with all of our partners to enable this different modalities. So we believe the future will be multimodal for delivery, and this is the first step towards that.
I cycle every day. I navigate Dashers. How many Dashers will I be navigating in the future? Is this going to replace couriers in the longer term? How much of a percentage do you want delivered by Dot?
Well, we don't look at this as a percentage. We look at it as just a growing pie. So if you think about just over the last few years, DoorDash, the demand for delivery has been growing significantly year over year. So we think of this as, like I said before, it's just going to be multimodal. There are going to be many, many different forms of delivery. And you look at the range of deliveries we do. If you just look back to even 5 years ago, we were doing mostly restaurants. Now, DoorDash does groceries, it does household items like toothpaste or diapers, even home electronics. You can buy a complete laptop on DoorDash and have it delivered to your doorstep. So we expect all kinds of deliveries to be happening on our platform, and this ADP that we announced yesterday is the first step towards that.
Ashu, who is going to manufacture Dot, and where will they manufacture Dot?
So at this point, we are going through that process of figuring out all of the pieces of where the manufacturing is going to be and where all the components, etc.
So it's not decided?
It's still being discussed internally as to how we will end up doing this.
Is the aim to have it largely US made?
So the technology that we have developed here is all built here in the US in DoorDash Labs. So it's pretty much purpose-built, homegrown robot. And it uses a state-of-the-art technology, again, developed by the engineers at DoorDash. It is a fully L4 autonomous system. So as you can see, it navigates through all of the various situations it can encounter, whether it is pedestrians or cars, and again, going up on sidewalks, going up to your doorsteps, lots of pedestrian and what are called VRUs, vulnerable road users, which means kids, pets, and so on. So all of that technology was developed at DoorDash Labs.